For centuries, a legend whispered of a treasure, not of gold, but of a curse.
Until now, we believe we have found the entrance.
The seal of the Shadow Order. No one has passed this point for 1,000 years.
What they guarded was not meant to be found.
The air itself feels heavy, ancient. Gold. More gold than we could ever imagine. But it wasn't just gold. It was knowledge. Forbidden knowledge.
The path led us down into the darkness of the Earth's heart.
A hidden sanctuary. What was so important it had to be hidden here? The legendary chalice. It's real. But touching it, it felt alive. And then we saw it. The main tomb. This was no tomb. It was a throne room. He was waiting. The Sword of the Shadow. It wasn't just a story. A mistake. We made a terrible mistake.
The entrance, it's collapsing. We have to get out. We have to...